Good evening and welcome to 13 News Weekend Edition. I'm Shannon Litton. Lily Bradley is off tonight. In the United States, the number of COVID-19 cases has spiked by almost 45,000, and that's just in the last 24 hours. Now, many of the nation's leaders say it's time to start requiring masks to be worn in public. 13 News reporter Haley Kosick asked our viewers on social media to share their thoughts, and joins us now live in the studio. Haley?
Shannon, wearing a mask in public right now is not required, as we're seeing an increasing number of these cases in cities and states, and some say that mandating this is overdue, and others are very much opposed to the idea.
Until we find a vaccine, these are really important.
So important, some U.S. lawmakers are demanding it be a law to wear masks.
Oh, I definitely long overdue for that. And my understanding that the Centers for Disease Control has recommended the use of masks, but not required it because they don't want to offend the president. And the president should be example.
The president refuses to wear one, but today in a Texas church, his vice president did.
Wear a mask wherever it's indicated, or wherever you're not able to practice the kind of social distancing that would prevent the spread of the coronavirus. And we would strongly reiterate that today.
At 13 News, we wanted to know your thoughts on mandatory mask wearing. More than 1,000 comments were submitted with views from both sides. One follower wrote, "I live in Ohio, and my wife and I do wear masks when we're out, for our safety and the safety of others. Anybody that doesn't is just being selfish and foolish." Another person believes it should be up to the individual. Another wrote, "I wear one and have no issues with doing so. People wear seatbelts as required by law." Quote, "We shouldn't be mandated to wear a mask," countered another. "It should be up to the person. If they wear one, I won't wear a mask."
Now, Governor Jim Justice will hold his daily COVID-19 presser tomorrow at 12:30, where mandated masks may be a topic of discussion. Reporting in studio, Haley Kosick, 13 News, working for you.